Today we're going to be painting our bird sculptures. I recommend picking no more than 4 colors. To start, dip your brush in your first color and begin to paint your sculpture. Your goal is to leave no white spaces whatsoever. If you applied your paper mache nice and evenly and smoothly, this step should be relatively easy. Even though I try to keep my sculpture super smooth, I still have a couple of little cracks that I have to work the paint into. Make sure you have absolutely no white spaces. My green, my purple, and my orange took 2 coats. So what I recommend doing is giving it your first coat, letting it dry while you work on another color, and then going back to give it a second coat if you need it to have a little more coverage. I wanted to paint my colors in a striped pattern. So since I already had green on my brush, I'm going to move down my bird a little bit and go ahead and add that second color where I decide to do it. You get to pick the pattern in which you'd like to paint. Take your time to make sure your lines are as clean as you can get them. When it's time to switch colors, go ahead and wipe your brush off on your messy mat before putting it into your water cup. This will help to keep our water a little more clean. Next, you want to dry your brush completely before going into your next color. When you're ready for your second color, dip your brush and begin to paint. I chose to only use my 4th color on the beak, but if you'd like to incorporate that into the body as well, you can do that. Touch up any of the places that need a second coat and then set your bird off to dry.